Hello and welcome to this AirBox training video about a new feature called unit settings and about Imperial units. You will find the unit settings in the options window. We have introduced three types of unit sets: SI units. SI is short for the International System of Units, and it is cubic meters per second, Pascal, and so on. And then we have another SI units. It's basically the same, but this one uses cubic meters per hour for the airflow. And then we have Imperial units, also known as English or American units, and it is cubic feet per minute, inch water column, and so on. Note that if you select Imperial units, motor and frequency converter data are still in SI units because we need these data to match nameplates and data sheets. When you upgrade to this new version, SI units will be default. So if you are used to working with cubic meters per second, you can just continue. If you're used to work with cubic meters per hour, you will have to select the alternative SI units. For this video, I'll select Imperial units so we can see how that works. Also note this new option to see the units on the solution page. I'll show you that in a minute. I'll now open a new ACL, and you will see that airflow is in cubic feet per minute, pressure is in inch water column. And if I go and select the solution, you will see that the curves are using Imperial units. And if I go to the drawing and select the sketch, you will see that all dimensions are now in inches. And because of this new feature to see the units in this solution page, you can in the headers see the units used for each column. I'll just save this. I'll call it ACL Imperial units. And to show you how it works when you mix configurations with different unit sets, I'll go back and select SI units. And I'll open this one again. Now it tells me that this configuration is saved with Imperial units. Do you want to keep using Imperial units? I say yes. And now I can make reports, or I can continue work with this configuration, and everything is in Imperial units. If I open again and say no, I would not like to use Imperial units, then it will use the unit set I have selected in my options window. In my case, SI units. So you will see now we have Pascal, cubic meters per second, and so on. The only thing that is not changed is curves. The curves will change only if you recalculate this configuration. So I'll just make a minor change to recalculate. And you will see the curves are now in SI units. That was all about the new feature called unit settings and Imperial units. Thank you for watching.